Ever wondered how you can turn your kitchen scraps into garden gold? Welcome to the world of composting, a natural process that transforms organic waste into nutrient-rich soil. It's not just effective, it's also incredibly easy to start right in your own backyard. Composting is not only a fantastic way to recycle your kitchen and garden waste, but it also enriches your soil, helps plants thrive, and contributes to a sustainable environment. Stay tuned to discover the simple steps to successful composting in your garden. Composting is not rocket science, and anyone can do it with just a few simple steps. First, start by selecting a compost bin or pile. This can be anything from a store-bought bin to a simple heap in your backyard. Next, add green and brown materials. Greens are things like vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and fresh grass clippings, which provide nitrogen. Browns, such as fallen leaves, straw, or shredded newspaper, supply carbon. A good rule of thumb is to aim for a ratio of 3 parts browns to 1 part greens. Now comes the maintenance part, turning your compost pile regularly. This helps to aerate the pile and speed up the decomposition process. Remember, composting is a process of trial and error. Don't be discouraged if things don't go perfectly the first time. Mistakes are all part of the learning process. With patience and a little effort, you will soon have nutrient-rich compost ready for your garden. Now that you know how to compost, are you ready to give it a go? Imagine the rich, dark soil you can create right in your backyard, reducing waste and contributing to a healthier planet. The payoff is more than just great garden results. You'll be part of a global movement towards sustainability. So why wait? Start your composting journey today and see the difference it can make. Remember, every little step counts towards a sustainable future. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.